Welcome to What's Happening on Campus, June edition. I am back from abroad. I've been traveling for 30 days straight the past month. Guys, it has been so fun, but I'm so happy to be back in the office. If you want to see all my adventures, you can check those out on Instagram. But we have so much packed for you in June. I'm going to get through all of it in the next no more than 10 minutes and tell you everything you need to know about how to get the best experience at Wanderlust Campus this month. And we have a lot of fun stuff coming. So first things first, I want to remind all of you, if you have not earned your certification, my friends, now is the time. We are enrolling for summer classes. If you've been watching, if you've been wondering, if you've been, just kind of curious, make sure you schedule an appointment with Enrollments to talk through what that could look like for you. I can't tell you, I was just at the ASTA conference and I met so many of our prior students that said, Cyndi, there's not a day that goes by that I don't use something I learned in my certification process. My company is where it's at today because I took time to earn my certification, and the thank yous and that they quit their jobs and all the things and all the success stories. So I am just jazzed to share this forward with you guys because I know what it looks like a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, and you could be there too. But that happens through really believing in yourself and kind of jumping all in and doing right by your business and treating it like a business. We have the systems. We know that our programs work, and why aren't you using them so they can help you too? It's as easy as getting started and getting into class. So I'll encourage you to visit us on the dashboard, or you can go to careersonvacation.com/ready now, schedule with enrollments. We'd love to talk to you. But let's start today off. I'm going to take you actually over into campus, and we're going to do a couple of fun things today. All right, so first things I want to do is check our leaderboard. So our top learner is once again Tracine. Congratulations, Tracine. You have been learning 144 days straight in our environment. We're going to be sending you a $20 campus gift card as a congratulations for all the effort that you're putting in. And Colleen and Scott and Kimberly are right on your heels. So make sure you keep logging in every day. And then also, guys, our Wander Quest has been doing their Wander Quest for 22 straight weeks. Kudos to you guys. You will also be getting a $20 campus gift card. So I guess Tracine's getting 2 campus gift cards. Good for you. And you can use those on any future purchase at campus as well. All right, guys, beyond the leaderboard, I want to draw your attention to some really important things happening this month. First of all, if you are curious about campus, we do have our open house happening. So for the month of June, first thing I want to point out is our open house is actually happening here on June 17th. If you are curious about Wanderlust Campus, you want to learn a little bit more, make sure you visit us at our open house June 17th at 11 Central or 12 p.m. Eastern. Stop by, visit me and Coach Jamie so you can learn a little bit more about campus. Now, what else is going on? We have a ton of fun things, and I want to pull out a few of these to talk about. So first of all, for those of you, my alumni who are in Passport to Learning, man, we have some amazing stuff happening for you. We have, first of all, our Founders Forum. I will be training you on schools out, systems on, your summer workflow planning. We're going to be giving you the systems, things you should be working on during the summertime. We also have 2 coaching sessions, open sessions, how to book hours on June 10th from 4 to 6 Central or 5 to 7 Eastern. And we also have on the weekend, Saturday, June 6th, Coach Jamie will also have open coaching hours so you can pop by and visit from 12 to 2 Central or 1 to 3 Eastern for that. And that you can just stop by if you have any questions, anything that you're working on, anything you want us to look at, all of those good things. It's kind of like stop by and get some help from our resident experts, which are amazing. Now, some other good ones that are happening this month. Do not miss this Wanderlust Social training for subscribers. If you're a Wanderlust Social subscriber, which by the way, let me tell you the bundles that are dropping for Wanderlust Social this month. Disney, Christmas in July. We also have Celestial Park at Epic Universe and Jamaica 2.0. This training is for subscribers, so we will help you with your marketing, how to get the most out of the tool, how to leverage it in your marketing system. So that's a great one to pop into as well. And then we also have a new session right here, Kickstart Accounting. This one specifically is for my active Wanderlust CEOs. Technically, that's on July 1st, but also Kickstart Accounting will be doing sessions for our other communities, alumni, grad students, and I think we even Passport to Learning at some point. So stay tuned, but they are a new supplier that is on board. If you are wondering how to handle the accounting in your business, We'll have different versions of training coming from them as well. We also have Tembo Wild has an amazing session also on the 17th from 2:30 to 3:30 Central or 3:30, 4:30 Eastern. If you have been thinking about going to Africa or selling Africa, you cannot go wrong with Tembo Wild. They're an amazing partner. We're actually hosting our Wander Beyond retreat with them. We actually recently had 2 people that had a scheduling conflict. And so you guys, we have 2 spots left also if you want to join us on our FAM to Africa. This is a first class FAM that would cost you like $12,000 to go on if you were paying for it retail. You're going for a fraction of that, and the Wanderlust Social team is going to be there with our educational program to teach you how to market it, how to sell it, how to match clients to it. So if you want to dive into Africa, add it as one of your niches, definitely check out the FAM that we are co-hosting with Tembo Wild. But you can also go to their free class that has a partner spotlight on the calendar as well. All right, guys, I promised it would be quick, but we have so many amazing things going on at campus. Also, a reminder to you, don't forget to sign up for your free profiles within campus. You can get a free profile. This is going to be really important later in the year, and we'll tell you about that soon. But get in the community, interact, add your accolades in there, especially if you are a graduate. Make sure that you are putting your accolades in there, adding your certification, and getting your profile up and active. That is free to you as well. We also have our KPI tracker. If you struggle with tracking your numbers, it's a reminder, beginning of the month, go ahead and track those numbers in the KPI. If you are in our grad community, remember our awards are based on those reporting and the numbers that you are putting in there. Make sure that you are doing that regularly so you will be eligible when awards time frame rolls around as well. But guys, I hope this was helpful for you to get a quick download of everything we have going on at campus. We are so excited to be launching into summertime. Think of summer as that time to do some extra learning that's going to drive your business forward. So to recap, make sure you get to those classes we talked about. If you're not already certified, make sure you pop into our open house or just schedule a call with Enrollment. And last but not least, continue to log into the site as much as you can to get to the top of those leaderboards and update those profiles so you have an active profile within Wanderlust Campus. Wanderlust Campus is the center of the universe for all things training in the travel industry. And we're so glad that you are here, you're engaging, you're learning, and asking those big questions about how to drive your business forward and what you need to do to get there. So keep being curious. We are here for you for every step of the way. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.